Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I'm back today to do a quick follow-up to my Tuesday morning haul. I'm really trying for each haul to try to get a project in as quick as I can, and because of the stuff going on in our lives right now, I can't always do it, but definitely the Tuesday morning haul will go up pretty quick, and then here comes this project. So I just wanted to share with you, this was the Anna Griffin 4-card kit. This is a sympathy kit, and it is regularly $5.99 for $2.49. You get 4 cards out of it, plus all the embellishments, even the dimensional foam adhesive, and then you also get these gorgeous lined envelopes. So I also grabbed, and I wanted to show you guys these, not that I'm going to use Mod Podge on this, but in my art bag on the go, I picked up, these were both at Michael's, and I picked up a small Aleene's and a small Mod Podge, and I just wanted to share with you guys, these are great things to throw in your art bag, and then you could throw this in. And I also picked up some Scotch brand washi and the metallics. You could throw this in, and that I got at Target, and you can throw all that in, and bam, you can make a card on the go. You may not need these, but you never know what you might need them for. So anyways, and like I said, this kit's pretty it pretty much has everything in it that you need. Self-contained, I think is the word I'm looking for, but you know me, I've always got to add something extra. Always, always, always. Goodness gracious. And I'm going to save this and use these in my collage journal. So I'm starting to save things like these pictures that I would put in a collage and journal about it. So anyways, and I'll be back with that soon. I have a running little bag of goodies that I save, and I cut them out and I save them, and I save. Could I say save one more time? Anyways. So let's look. So we get the foam. We get that gorgeous one with the butterfly. We get that gorgeous one with a flower. And we get that one, another one with the rose. And then here's a third one with the rose. And this one and that one have ribbon. And this one are foiled. So gorgeous. Here's these 2 bases. And, pardon me, these 2 card bases. And then, like I said, well, doggone it, that one, there we go. They're lined, aren't they? Or they're printed. They're not even lined. They're just printed. Isn't that beautiful? So, all right, guys, let's hop right in and let's just get going. I grabbed this washi because I noticed that these have silver. I mean, I really didn't even notice. I just always grab washi to add to any card. I don't know that I will add it because, like I said, these cards are so, you know, this is a self-contained kit. You know, there's nothing extra really that you need. I just got to add something, you know. Got to put something in there extra. So anyways, there we go. And yippo. So let's see what we have. So we have these 2 with the gray ribbon, and I kind of like that with this or this. No, I like it with that better. Let me see this one. Oh yeah. Wow, how is it that these things just pop right off the page to you? And this one I would turn this way, to be honest, I think. And then this one, let's do it that way. Okay. I don't think I'm actually going to add any washi to this. I'm wrong. Imagine that, huh? I think these are great just the way they are. What she's done is it looks like you've layered. And if I had extra cards right here, I would layer it in there and pop it again, but I don't. I'm doing this as if I were sitting in my car. I just bought this kit, and this is all I have to do it with. So these kits are fantastic. Whenever you can find them, grab them, put them up, make them quickly, throw them in a box so you have cards, because honestly, when you're needing a sympathy card, you may not have time to stop and make one. Or, to be quite frank, you might not even feel like it. So, you know, just reality. And I know for us right now, we have a family emergency, and hopefully we are never going to need this card. But just in case, I decided, you know what, I need to make some up. And, you know, alrighty. So here we go. And I'm going to put a little bit over here. So yes, I've gone dot crazy, but you get a lot of these. So here we go. And that's it. We just go with it. And we are almost done, my friends. First card. I don't know if you're timing. How many minutes is that? Probably 2 for the extra card. The rest I was just chatting too much. I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope everything is going very well in your journey and with your family and friends. You know, we go through seasons. It just seems like we go through seasons, and that's what it is for us. So we can either be mad or we can move forward. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay, card 1 down. Let's go. Let's change it up. Let's go with the pink one this time. Okay, I love that ribbon. I hate that that one got bent, but that's okay. That's alright. We can still make it work. Okay, but I hope everything is going... I'm going to pull this one because I already took the back off it by accident when I was grabbing the other one. I hope everything's going well for y'all. We are waking up to one thing after another these days. I told my husband, I said, yesterday was Sunday, and I was getting emails from the attorney, and I was just like, guys, it's Sunday. Can we take a day off? So, anyways, and I know why they're doing it. They're just catching up, and I totally understand that, and I appreciate them, but I honestly just want a whole day to not think about things sometimes, or think about my family, or just rest, you know. The Bible had the 7th day as a day of rest, and our Sabbath is on a Saturday. Sundays are good. I'll take both. I love that. Isn't that gorgeous? Card 2 down. Let's go with card 3. So anyways, and because I'm so cheap, I am going to use, and you know what I'm going to say, I'm going to use that strip. And the reason why is, why not? It's the same material, it's there, and that's what we need to do. We need to use the whole buffalo. You guys are probably so tired of hearing me say that. But it does make it easier if we do it that way. So, anyways, and I'm going to do the same thing here across, and then down. I know, isn't this amazing? So, there's that. Oh, excuse me. Didn't mean to make noise and itch my nose at the same time. We have had so much rain that we are going to grow gills and swim soon here in Texas. But, like I was talking to somebody this weekend, it's feast or famine here in Texas. So, the rain hasn't been a hard rain yet, and we're thankful for that. So we are not flooding, praise God, and we're so thankful for that. And we are still praying for the people in the Carolinas. There was a tsunami. I was listening to a report this morning, and all of y'all are just, oh gosh, everybody's in our prayers and thoughts right now. Goodness gracious, it's just been quite a season here, hasn't it, with all of this weather. So I'm going to redo this, guys, because I want that to be as straight as possible. And you can mark that, but isn't that pretty? That pink on gray and that charcoal, it just looks so pretty. That foil. Okay, last but not least, here we go. I'm going to do my big ones first. But anyway, so there's just been so much going on in our world today. It's just so, wow. Kind of heartbreaking, and you know, you don't watch the news for a couple of days and you turn it back on, it's like, what in the world is going on? So anyways, so all of y'all are in our prayers, guys. Be safe. I mean, you know, we have a saying, I think it's probably true throughout the United States, turn around, don't drown. So if you're in areas that are flooding or storming or whatever is happening in your neck of the woods, just be safe, guys. There is nothing in your home that is worth, or that is a thing that is worth taking a chance. And I mean, of course, if you're going to get your children, I could totally understand that. But I'm just saying, there's so many people worried about their things. And since Harvey, I in no way want to sound callous and say it's just stuff. Having lost so much as a child, you know, in a hurricane and a fire, I'm going to say something, and don't be angry. It is just stuff. It is just stuff. And having cleaned out my parents' home after they passed away, it is just stuff. You are the most important thing to your family. You are the most important thing to your friends. And if it's a chance that you would be hurt or that you would go, try to save something, it's just stuff. It's just stuff. So, anyways, that's just my 2 cents. But I just would hope that you guys would think through, who's going to miss you to go save stuff. Because your family loves you and they want you. And, just remember that. Just keep that perspective if you can, if you're able to. We saw a lot of anguish and anger and sadness with loss from Harvey. And again, I can't say enough. I mean, I remember the day our house burnt down. I remember going home and kind of knowing before we even got there something was wrong. And I remember the hurricane clearly, and all I cared about were my little turtles. Were they okay? And I mean, I still have that perspective. And don't get me wrong, my husband and I have worked very hard for our home and our property, and it's not that I don't understand that, but and there's a massive inconvenience of having to come in and clean up and work hard and all of that. But it is just stuff, and the main thing is that you and your family are safe, and those things will be replaced. And maybe there's things that can't be replaced, but again, they're just things. And you're the most important thing. You're it. You're what your family loves. Everything else is lovely, and I'm not saying it's not. You know what? I don't think that's centered. Sorry, guys. Let me redo that. I hate when I do that, but, it's just stuff. But it is. I just want to encourage you guys to say, things are just things. The most important is you, your family, that you're safe, that you're healthy, all of that. So, and as somebody who's lost family this year, that is to me the most important thing. So, all right, guys, please be careful, guys. We're praying for y'all. So here's this. Here's our sympathy Anna Griffin quick and easy card set. If I wasn't talking so much, I wouldn't have been that long. Let's see. My talking and the cards look like they're somewhere around 14-15 minutes. So, yeah. And then here's all the gorgeous envelopes that go with them. And I will be putting those in my card basket. And when I need a card, I just run in there and grab it and pull it out. Okay, guys. I hope you like this. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up if you guys are wishing the very best for all the families that have been going through difficult times. And give it a thumbs up if you would like to also add your sentiment that you are the most important thing. Please take care of yourself. We just want to encourage everybody, just please, 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 you guys take care of yourselves. That's the most important thing. Be safe. All right. So thumbs up if you like it, if you want to encourage others. And if you're not subscribed to this channel, we'd love to have you be a part of us. And let's see. I think that's it, guys. I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll be talking to y'all soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.